Welcome to the channel. We got a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called the Defiance. This is a unique NFT collection with 7,888 Defiance, and holders gain access to the DAO that rewards members for contributing alpha and sharing knowledge. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called the DEFIANTSNFT.com. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of my video on YouTube on the educational network. You can go check it out from there. I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the origin stories, the key features, the team, the roadmaps, and what this NFT is all about. This is a first community-driven alpha NFT and a crypto education platform. A unique NFT collections of 7,888 Defiance, and holders will gain access to their DAO and rewards members for contributing to the alpha and sharing knowledge. Earn while you learn about the Web3 world. Their Genesis collection contains only 2,888 weapons and NFTs that are generated CRUX to power their DigiSphere. Now you can join them on their Discord, and the Discord is one of the most important platforms to get reliable information about any particular NFT or play to earn game. So I always recommend every single person who is thinking of investing in an NFT or thinking of spending time and playing play to earn games, you gotta join their Discords. You gotta follow them on Twitter, because that is the place you'll get reliable information. Their next pre-sale is on the 24th of March 2022 at 2 p.m. UTC. So lock this date down, write it down on your calendars, and make sure that you exactly know when it's gonna go on sale, because the time it goes on sale, it will be blown up in seconds, because this is something very unique and absolutely brilliant. The birth of the Defiance. This is very interesting, guys. It is near the future. The world has collapsed in the strain of art practices and the results of a genetically engineered virus. Most of the world's population has been thoroughly domesticated, force-fed dopamine through mindless entertainment, and kept in archaeology homes where they have become both product and users, and an elite group of freedom fighters led by the Mole, Brainiac, and Redhead orchestrated a revolution against the ITE and their tyrannic government puppets. And that is what the Defiance is all about. The graphical and creativity that they've put into developing these NFTs is absolutely brilliant. If you just have a look at the idea that they have brought forth and the way they're bringing this into the metaverse and the use of the NFT that they're doing, this strategy they've developed is absolutely brilliant. This is a very unique NFT that they're bringing out to the world, and there are only 7,888 in supply and only 2,888 which include weapon drops, and 300 plus handmade traits, and 9 unique trait categories are available. In the first phase, phase 1.0, phase alpha, the CRUX core laboratory, where there's only 2,888 Genesis NFT holders are granted yield generating weapons that generate CRUX tokens that can be spent in the laboratory. And the amount of tokens received is decided by the strength of your weapon's attribute and by how long you decide to stake your NFT. You can build your own weapons, you can customize your NFT, and you can generate CRUX. And in the phase Bravo, the 2.0, the Brain Trust Alpha DAO, the first NFT project with an education DAO that rewards the community members for providing alpha, contributing to the project, and sharing knowledge. Bounties will be offered to specific tasks that help the community thrive. Treasury will be sealed with 30 Ethereums, additional generating revenue, and 100% of the royalties from the secondary market sales will be added to the treasury automatically, and you will gain access to alpha and earn by contributing knowledge. This strategy that they have implemented is very unique. I have not come across any NFT that is implementing such an idea, and the most important thing for any successful NFT to make it big is the team. The people, the team behind this NFT is very, very unique. And obviously, if you look at any successful NFT and you look at the team that they've developed it, you you will see for a fact that you have individuals that have the experience, that understand the NFT space, that understand the crypto space, and with that knowledge and with those effective strategies that have worked, they are bringing something very unique. As technology advanced, the Defiants were now able to mint their essence into the Andrologist shell NFT. As the minting of their shell cyborg bodies of the NFT proceeds, the Defiants initiate phase alpha of their mission to take back the world that once belonged to the people. You got the business management, you got the artists, you got the lead developers, and these guys are brilliant. You can find them on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Twitter, and you can check their profiles yourself. You have individuals that have strategic thinking, planning, conceptual considerations of their strength. You have people that work on the video games and conceptual artwork. You have individuals that are code commanders, genius designers, and obviously individuals that have worked with the concept and writing and developing a story behind it. And obviously anything that has a strong background, has a strong foundation, only that particular play to earn game, only that particular NFT, only that particular project can be successful. And individuals that have that kind of experience can actually take it to the next level. The minting roadmap is very interesting, where 250 out of the 7,888 Defiants will be set aside for the community helpers and those who have helped them grow, including giveaways and raffles and after mint events and randomly generated no special treatment. And 25% minted, deploying 15 Ethereum for liquidity in Ethereum and CRUX pool on the Uniswap, with 50% minted. That 15 Ethereum will be used to seed the alpha bounty, and at 75% minted, access to the live mastermind event in the crypto hub of Bali will take place. And once 100% is minted, they're going to fly 10 community members over to Bali to be part of their Bali mastermind, and they will sort out your flights, your visa accommodations, and the events that you'll be attending. And the timeline is very, very interesting. In July 2021, the team was assembled. In August 2021, the artwork was in full process. In October 21, development of the DAO started. In December 21, the polishing of the art and works on the CRUX token functionality took place. And in the first quarter of 2022, the public launch and the NFT collections smart token contracts took place. And in the second quarter of 2022, you could generate your own weapons and alter your NFTs. In the third quarter, the Brain Trust DAO is going to be ready to launch, and the community will now be rewarded with CRUX for contributing alpha and sharing the knowledge. So these are the reasons behind why I personally feel, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. I've done a lot of reviews of different NFTs, different play to earn games, and you can check them out on my channel, The Educational Network, and you can see for a fact that I actually do reviews of NFTs that I feel that have the potential, and this particular NFT has got that potential. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can always subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share the videos on your Facebook and WhatsApp with your friends and your family. And you can always drop me a message in the comment section below and let me know what you think. If there's any questions you have, write them down and I will definitely answer them. You can drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. And stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.